And we are finally leaving this area in Ojota tonight. This is to 12. You can see there's so much going on here. This is the living room. There are so many things going on right now. See this young boy. He's moving. This used to be my room. Everything is in disarray, like the living room and everything. We hung another curtain because I'll still be here till ending of the month. That's like 5 days. So we hung a little, you can see that's my little load at that corner before I move finally to my husband's house. And you can see mommy, she's cooking one sumptuous rice for us. I'm tired. You can see it's already to 12. You can see my daddy's room everywhere scattered. It's not an easy something. This is like the first packing ever in my life. Like it has never happened. We've moved so many things. This is just the basics. Can you see this heavy load I'm carrying? It's not an easy something. Like the load is so heavy, and I'm moving right now. You can see the distance. I'm videoing this so you can see the distance where we are moving the loads to. As in, I'm really tired. It's late in the night already. So first thing tomorrow morning, they are moving out of this Lagos and going to Ilorin. You can see there's a service going on in the church opposite. See some loads. These are parts of the load. See men on duty. It's not an easy something. The big trailer. Oh my god, it's so big. He wants to feature. I don't know his name. This little boy is not carrying anything and he's even resting on the road. He's just carrying small plank. Look at the time. This is past 1. They are still working. See that thing? He's so busy working. Look at the time. This is past 1. They are still working. See that thing? He's so busy working. See mommy, the consolation is the rice. I'm waiting for that rice. The house is empty already. My room is empty. Like there's nothing in there again. Sincerely, it is not easy. I'm so tired. I'm outside supervising what they are doing. Like I can't pack anything again. I can't even hold jack shit. This is a big lorry. Will I even call it lorry? It's not a trailer, it's a lorry. It's so big and still the loads are still in the room. I'm tired right now. I'm on a chair. I'm resting. That's the church opposite. They are making so much noise. Like we hardly sleep. Every day is service. Every day. During the day there is service. In the night there is service. I don't know. Lagos State government, please. This is noise pollution. Biko, help save the neighbors. They finished packing. At last, I'm trying to lock the lorry. It's a really long one. Yes.